Hello and welcome. I'm about to embark on a new challenge series. In it, I'm going to be spending a couple of minutes, and I'm hoping that you guys will be giving me a few words. So let me explain what it is. Why do I ask for a few words? Well, I will be telling you guys stories. What kind of stories? Short stories, story ideas, plots, based off the words you give me. And this idea came from a friend. And I was explaining to him, what if you wanted to tell a story for the Christmas season? And I just rattled off a story off the top of my head. And it went something like this. So, say you want to have a Christmas story, and you set it up in the North Pole, and it's about Santa. But there's nothing in the North Pole. So you begin with, say, a few igloos, and then you have an underground factory. And the plot of the story is you have a young elf, and Santa is in hibernation, and the young elf has to wake Santa up. But why? Well, we've got factories producing presents. What if the elves had unionized? And some of the elves at the top, upper management, are oppressing the workers. And maybe there are labor gangs. And our young elf is caught between the union and labor gangs and upper management. And he believes the only thing he can do is go and wake up Santa. But to do that, he has to go and find Rudolph. And Rudolph is in a different pasture. Maybe he's sick. Maybe he's got a cold. So our young elf has to go on a journey, find Rudolph, and then get Rudolph to take him to Santa. And then he has to wake Santa up, because Santa only wakes up for one day of the year. And that was the story. And that's what I'm going to be doing for this shorts. So, drop me some words when I'm going live, and we'll go from there. It'll be fun. Have a great day. Bye for now.